In this video, you'll learn how to publish your app on Firebase completely for free with fast hosting, global reach, and zero upfront cost. First, go to firebase.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Click Add Project, give it a name, and follow the quick setup wizard. Firebase's free Spark plan gives you everything you need to publish your app without paying a cent. Next, install the Firebase CLI on your computer by opening your terminal and running npm install.g Firebase tools. Then type Firebase login to connect your Google account directly from the command line. Now, go to your apps folder and run Firebase init. Select hosting, choose the project you just created, and set your public directory, usually build, dist, or public. Configure it as a single-page app if your project requires it. Once everything is ready, just run Firebase deploy. Within seconds, Firebase uploads your app and gives you a free live URL hosted on Google's global CDN with free SSL and HTTPS included automatically. Finally, if you want a custom domain, open the Firebase console, go to the Hosting tab, and click Add Custom Domain. Follow the DNS instructions and your app will be fully connected, still completely free. And that's it. Your app is officially published on Firebase, fast, secure, and live on Google's infrastructure at no cost.